In this video, I am going to walk through the auto posting for your Google reviews onto your social media. I love this aspect of GoHighLevel and what it can do. It's so simple, yet so powerful, and a brilliant sales tool to bring clients onto HighLevel, or in my case, onto my Sales Ember platform. So let me just show you what it can do. So let me switch screens over here. Here we are in my social planner. So if I just got to new post up here on the right hand side, and then I've got post reviews up here on the right. If I click this here, what I can do is I can say, ask it where I want it from. So I've got my Google, my business, my Google connected into the CRM, in this case into Sales Ember, which is my white labeled version of HighLevel. So I press Google there. And then I say, look, I only want it 4 stars and above. You can also do 5 stars in there. And then social media accounts, I want to add it to all my social media accounts just there. The 4 I got connected here, or 5 I got connected here. Actually, you can post to Google My Business, Facebook, and I believe that is Instagram as well, just there. And then what I will do is I say I want a maximum number of 1 review per day. I can do week or month, so actually I can say, you know, I want 2 a week, just there. And I want them to go out when they happen at 2 p.m. when they do. So if they come into the system on a Tuesday, then they will go out at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Or if one comes in on Tuesday, one comes in on Wednesday, obviously it will come out at 2 p.m. of the day in which comes in to the service, into the platform. And then just a background, I can add an image, so I can add my brand behind, or I can just pick a background like abstract or teal, or some purple or something. As I said, I can also add an image as well to go behind, and then I just create that post just there, and then that is now set up to auto post my Google reviews directly onto my social media. As I said, it is such a quick and easy, powerful tool that is brilliant at auto-populating social media content directly onto my social media, and if I want to, then I can take it and I can break it down and I can do whatever else that I want with it. So yeah, something to really look out for there. So if you are using HighLevel, if you are using a white labeled version of HighLevel, then you can do that. You can automatically post your reviews directly onto your social media from Google.